welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Hot Rod Fuego, and this is the splitter I got from C7 Carbon. Much better, looks better. So I'm about to install this. As you all know, the previous splitter split in half. It was a little bit too cumbersome. Made out of plastic. This one is fiber grade. This one is fiberglass. So let's go ahead and install this right now. Here we are in the front of the car, as you can see. No splitter. Looks different.
All right, as you can see, I have it lifted. This bumper lip goes right in, so it's gonna connect to these holes right here, these screw holes. 1, 2, all the way down that way. So it's gonna be a direct bolt on. Pretty easy, shouldn't take that long. You can do it with one person, quicker to do it with two people. So,
hey, what's up? We're back. I installed the front lip, as you can see. The first time I did this, it took me about an hour. This time, I guess with the experience from the last one, from the one I got from Extreme Online Store, it didn't take me that long to do this time around. Nice and snug, bolt on. Right up. I use the same bolts that I had from Extreme Online Store. Everything nice, everything tight.